Front-load washers are efficient and effective, but they can develop unpleasant odors and buildup if not properly maintained. Let's explore simple steps to keep your washer fresh and clean. First, always leave the door open after each wash. This allows moisture to evaporate and prevents mold and mildew from growing in the drum and gasket. Second, regularly clean the rubber door gasket. Wipe it down weekly with a damp cloth to remove detergent residue, lint, and debris that can trap moisture and cause odors. Third, run a monthly cleaning cycle. Use a washer cleaner or a cup of white vinegar on the hottest setting to eliminate buildup and bacteria. Fourth, use the right detergent. Always choose high-efficiency detergent in the correct amount. Too much soap creates excess suds that leave residue behind.